Introducing Shrike AL320. Working area 315 millimeters by 250 millimeters. Z height 140 millimeters. T-slot, bed size 320 millimeters by 200 millimeters. Thickness 32 millimeters. Guide system LM rod 25 millimeters. Drive system rolled ball screws 25 millimeters. Drive motors 4.5 Newton-meter stepper motors. 0.8 kilowatts. Air-cooled spindle. 24,000 RPM. ER11 collets. Rapid rate 8,000 millimeters per minute. Easy to operate in-house developed controller. Easy access to machine panel. You can mount it to any workbench. Here we mount our workpiece with quick clamp technology. Metal chip tray for easy chip removal. Quick fourth axis setup. Machine dimension 505 millimeters by 625 millimeters. Height 750 millimeters. Power requirement 1.2 kilowatts single phase. Approx weight 95 kilograms.